Hey everyone, John here at NOMATIC. Today I'd like to walk through the NOMATIC Laptop Bag, the perfect shoulder carry bag for everyday use. I've got a lot of gear on this table, let's quickly pack it up. Alright, now that that's done, let's walk through the features of this bag and see where everything is packed.
The bag is made of strong, waterproof materials and zippers. Our custom magnetic buckles give 360-degree rotation, providing the perfect carry angle every time. The innovative spring-loaded compression buckle allows you to adjust the strap length and lock it down. When you want to remove the strap and carry like a briefcase, rotate the buckle opposite the normal carry position and pull. Then, like magic, it will snap back on at any angle. The full perimeter zipper gives a wide-open view of the inside for better visibility in packing. In the main compartment of the bag, there are multiple pockets to keep your cords, power banks, and other small items organized. The RFID safe pocket is lockable and is designed to protect your scannable and valuable items. In this compartment, you will also find a dedicated notebook and documents pocket, as well as a place for your pens. Also in this main compartment, you get a removable sunglasses shell and a retractable key leash. There is a TSA-ready laptop and tablet pocket that lay flat and make TSA checkpoints a breeze. This bag was designed to hold a 15-inch laptop and 13-inch tablet comfortably. The back panel slips over a roller bag handle to free up your hands while on the move.
So as you can see, this bag is perfect for life on the move. We can't wait to see where the NOMATIC Laptop Bag takes you.